all systems go ever since he has taken this sport by storm.
He snapped in bed, but more important than anything, this guy can keep on.
Decorated finisher in UFC bantamweight history, and he's the only man with a professional victory against
leg. Oh!
Huge elbow from Chito, and another one. That is it.
Dangerous. Threw him down.
O'Malley goes high. Now short uppercut. Tecco covers up.
That's it.
What's up, Boston?
Welcome Sobat Petarung di channel 1 lawan 1. UFC 299 dalam event main card mempertemukan Sean O'Malley versus Marlon Vera pada 9 Maret 2024 di Kasia Center, Amerika. Pertemuan kedua petarung divisi bantamweight ini menjadi panggung utama yang diselenggarakan oleh UFC. Seperti yang telah dikonfirmasi pihak UFC, mereka dipertemukan untuk memperebutkan gelar juara divisi bantamweight. Bagi para pengamat UFC, pertemuan kedua petarung ini sangat emosional sekali karena Marlon Vera diberi kesempatan untuk merebut gelar juara yang kini dipegang oleh Sean O'Malley. Sedangkan Sean O'Malley sendiri mempunyai misi balas dendam karena pernah ditaklukkan TKO oleh Marlon Vera. Memang kedua fighter ini bukan kali pertama bertarung di atas oktagon. Keduanya pernah bertemu di UFC 252 16 Agustus 2020. Bagi Sean O'Malley, pertemuan pertamanya pada UFC 252, ia dipaksa menelan kekecewaan. Kaki yang cedera karena tendangan keras bertubi-tubi dari Marlon Vera hingga akhirnya harus berakhir tumbang lewat TKO. Berikut ini kami rangkum video pertarungan Sean O'Malley versus Marlon Vera di UFC 252.
Here in the UFC division. Is in blue, Sean O'Malley is in green. Here we go.
Ooh, that's not the case. He learned these skills.
Grappling and fell in love with that part of the game. Hasn't had.
And then he attacks you with the left hand once you start running in.
Marlon trying.
Chito's got a few knockouts with that kick that you just saw.
Well, this is absolutely the most.
Something's wrong with O'Malley's leg.
Right
I don't know what happened. I really don't know. I think he blew on.
And now Chito recognizes it, and he's moving towards him.
He hurt his knee in another fight, Sean.
There was the Terry. That's neither here nor there. We'll see in between rounds if O'Malley has any.
He's not moving too bad considering this.
Yeah,
he's hiding it. He's trying to hide it. There's the right hand.
I guess you got to just hope maybe for Sean that it's a nerve issue that could recover.
Yeah, will he up? He fell down. Will he gets there? Oh!
Huge elbow from Chito. Marlon Chito.
He have done that if it wasn't obvious there was something wrong with his leg.
Right.
Well, I mean, he might have, but we...
Referee Herb Dean has called a stop to this contest at 4 minutes 40 Marlon Chito.
Catatan kekalahan dari Marlon Vera itulah yang pasti ingin dihapus oleh Sean O'Malley yang kini memegang gelar juara tak terbantahkan divisi bantamweight UFC.
By TKO undisputed UFC bantamweight champion of the world, Sean O'Malley.
Selang beberapa tahun, akhirnya tradisi UFC yang mempertemukan pertarungan ulang antara petarung yang pernah terkalahkan akhirnya digelar tepatnya pada UFC 299. Ini adalah kesempatan bagi Sean O'Malley untuk menghapus catatan hitam kekalahannya. Sama seperti halnya Sean O'Malley, Marlon Vera pun juga ingin menunjukkan pada dunia bahwa dia dapat merebut tahta raja kelas bantamweight yang saat ini dipegang oleh Sean O'Malley. UFC 299 dalam laga utama mempertemukan Sean O'Malley versus Marlon Vera akhirnya digelar. Pertarungan minggu siang yang sangat ketat di ronde awal hingga akhir ini dilalui oleh kedua petarung. Keduanya sangat kompak beradu pukulan dan tendangan sepanjang ronde demi ronde. Hingga akhirnya sang wasit menghentikan pertarungan karena waktu telah selesai di akhir ronde dan menunjukkan hasil kemenangan angka bagi Sean O'Malley.
Mark Smith keeping a close eye on Kashakian as he continues to take right hand, brings Dana White to his feet, and he is still undefeated.
You want to stay on the outside and go art for art.
Right.
Oh, he tagged him with that right hand, threw him down. Looks like he got a 2-year layoff.
I was just about to say, Quinones is more normal. You can see that extra something with O'Malley,
Yes.
right? The more,
Yes.
right? Whenever he's going in and out.
Struck unofficially 82-17 about a minute ago.
O'Malley looks crisp. That front kick up the middle. Left hand.
To the MMA world, more respect, Chris Butino. Oh,
Stand up.
but he took all those shots the whole time.
I don't understand that.
I think the attritive damage just was enough, and we didn't want to see it
gotta
more.
Best lightweight fighters we have seen.
To the right for O'Malley. Look at that desperation shot, Joe.
Partner's in real trouble.
Oh,
My goodness. Jason Herzog's taking a
Master.
fantastic.
He smashed him.
he will not be unranked next week. Sean O'Malley, bantamweight attritive damage just was enough, and we didn't want to see it more.
Best lightweight fighters we have seen.
To the right for O'Malley. Look at that desperation shot, Joe.
Partner's in real trouble.
Oh,
My goodness. Jason Herzog's taking a
Master.
fantastic.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ini berarti Sean O'Malley mampu membuktikan pertahanan gelar Raja Bantamweight UFC untuk pertama kali dan mimpi kandas bagi Marlon Vera. Sean O'Malley sendiri mendapatkan sabuk gelar juara UFC divisi Bantamweight pertama kalinya saat melawan Aljamain Sterling di UFC 292, tepatnya Agustus 2023. Saat itu penampilan yang apik dari Sean O'Malley saat melawan Sterling, dan benar saja Sean O'Malley berhasil menaklukkan Sterling pada ronde kedua yang baru berjalan 51 detik.
call a stop to this contest at TKO.
Oke sobat petarung, sampai di sini video yang bisa kami sajikan untuk sobat dimanapun berada. Dan jangan lupa subscribe agar sobat tidak ketinggalan informasi para petarung. Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa pada video kami berikutnya. Tetap semangat dan see you next time.